probably the most important one of this list, have an actual written code of ethics to become a certified professional tarot reader with the Tarot Certification Board. You're required to have one. Same with being an American Tarot Association member. It protects your clients, it protects you, it protects the whole community. Your code might cover stuff like, will you read for minors? Will you read for third parties? What topics are off limits? How will you treat clients? What do you do with their info? How will you handle free will? Here's the American Tarot Association code, word for word. I will serve the best interest of my clients, conducting my professional activities without causing or intending to cause harm. I will treat all my clients with equal respect, regardless of their origin, race, religion, gender, age, or sexual preference. I will honestly represent my tarot qualifications, my education, my certifications, my experience. I will keep confidential the names of my clients and everything discussed in a reading unless the client says otherwise or a court requires it. I will recommend clients consult a licensed professional for legal, financial, medical or psychological advice I am not qualified to give. And if I'm trained in one of these areas, I clearly separate the tarot reading from the professional advice. I will respect my clients' right to end their readings whenever they want, no matter what we agreed to beforehand. And I recognise every ATA member has the same rights and obligations as I do. So I always respect my fellow members. So that's it. That's your roadmap. If you actually want to be an ethical tarot reader, follow these and you'll know exactly where you stand. If this helped, hit subscribe and like and drop a comment telling me what being an ethical tarot reader means to you.